Hi, my name is Teacher Amanda, and today we are going to discuss Standard 4, Month 4, Exam Paper 2, Section A. Now let's take a look. Read the notice below and use the information to complete the report. This is like an information transfer. So basically the answers are already in the notice. So you need to read the information carefully before you answer the questions. Also, to answer this, you need to read the full sentence below here before you answer the question, because some of them are straightforward, but some questions would be a little bit tricky. The sentence would be a little bit tricky, so you need to read carefully. Let's start. The Kilat Athletics Club of blank took part in, now which school? The answer is Kilat Athletics Club Sekolah Kebangsaan Sri Sentosa. Okay, took part in what? The international relay. The answer is international relay in our school field yesterday. 4 athletes from the club took part in the event. They were what? They won. They're champions. Alright? They were the champions. They won a big trophy. What else they won? The answer is here, prizes, a big trophy, a computer, and 200 ringgit. Alright? Prizes for the winners were given out by who? As you can see, the guest of honor, PIBG chairman. Alright, so that's the answer for the first part. Let's look at section B. Study in the information below, then answer the question that follows. Now again, this is an information transfer. You need to complete the table with the correct answers. So you need to read the information carefully and transfer it over here. Alright, now this one is fairly easy. Take note of the spelling before you write, because if you write with wrong spelling, teachers will minus your marks as well. Take note, yeah. Now let's take a look at paper 2 section B, essay writing part. Now your parents wants to take you for a meal on your birthday. Based on the information given, which one would you choose to go? Give reasons for your choice. Write your answer between 50 to 80 words. Now, before you answer this question, there is few things that you need to do. Number 1, you need to understand the question. You need to understand the question so that you know what you need to write. That's the first thing. The second thing that you need to do is that to take note of the word limit, 50 to 80 words. Alright, you need to write in between 50 to 80 words. Any more than 80 words, your marks might be minus by the teacher during the exam. Okay, then the third thing you need to take note of is the 10 marks here. 10 marks. Now, if there's 10 marks, you need to write at least 5 points or 5 reasons why you choose the meal. For example, let's say you choose Chef's Inn. You say you choose Chef's Inn's fried rice with seafood. Why? Okay, why you choose? Because it's only 6 ringgit. It's cheap, it's affordable. You can write. Alright. Also, like for example, free fruit juice. You can say that I love to drink fruit juice. Alright, you need to write the pointers with what and why to answer this 10-mark question. Let's take a look at paper 2 section C. This section consists of 2 questions. Answer 1 question only, and this question is worth 25 marks. Usually I would advise my students to do question number 2. Okay, the picture guided with 3 pictures. This is called word expansion. Alright, now let's read the question. Write the story based on the pictures below. You may use the words given to help you. Write your story in the space provided. Write your story between 80 to 100 words. Now, how to tackle this question? There is a few things you need to do. Number 1, again, you need to understand the question. You need to understand the question, so you need to know what you need to write. Alright, the second thing you need to take note of is this may here. You may use the words. May meaning to say not necessarily use the words given. You can change it here or there. If you see the word all over here, meaning to say you need to use each and every single words given to you. Alright, that one you need to take note. The third thing you need to take note is the word limits, 80 to 100 words. Again, if you write more than 100 words, your marks will be deducted by the teacher during the exam. Okay, now the fourth thing that you need to take note of is the past tense or present tense. Whether this story is happening right now or this story is already happened in the past. So let's look. Alarm clock ringing wakes up 6 morning. Okay, let's take a look. Here is wakes up. Okay, and also makes, alright, and washes. So you can clearly see that this essay is happening right now in the present tense. Alright, so the whole story need to use present tense. That's the fourth thing that you need to take note of. Okay, the fifth things that you need to take note of is your grammar, punctuation, and content. Okay, what do I mean by content? You need to elaborate your words or your essay with more details rather than just following the guide given to you. Let's say for example, just rather than just following this, you can add in more words, all right, more elaboration and more details to answer this 25 marks question. That's all for standard 4 month 4 exam paper 2 section A, B and C. Thank you.